In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make text go in a circle here in Canva. Now, this only works if you have a long enough text, and if you have a short text, you're not going to make it a circle, and I'll be able to show you that in a second. But to turn this text just here into a circle, all we have to do is click onto there. We want to come up to effects just here, then we want to scroll all the way down to where we see this curved. Now, if we click on there, the text has now been curved. But what we want to do is make this a circle. So if we come to the little bar here, if we increase this curve, as you can see, is going to turn that text into a circle. Now we want to find the happy medium so we can in fact read all of that text. So let's just play around with it just like that. And there we go. Our text is now a circle. But if you don't have enough text, we can't do that. It's only going to curve. So if we click on here, come to Effects, come to Curve, and if we do this bar all of the way up, we can see the text isn't quite long enough to make this curve join on in a circle. So if you're going to do this, just remember you do need a long enough text. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make your text go in a circle here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.